Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card shuffler machine. First, gather your materials, including sturdy cardboard, 2 small DC motors, and a few plastic gears. You'll also need a hot glue gun, a craft knife, and a ruler. Begin by cutting the cardboard pieces according to your design, ensuring they are precise for smooth operation. This initial preparation is crucial for a functional and reliable shuffler. Next, construct the main frame of your card shuffler. Use hot glue to securely attach the cardboard pieces, forming a sturdy box. Create 2 distinct slots at the top for inserting the card decks. These slots should be wide enough for cards to slide in easily but snug enough to guide them. Below the slots, build a central chamber where the cards will converge and be mixed. Now it's time to integrate the mechanical components. Securely mount the 2 small DC motors on opposite sides of the central chamber. Attach small plastic gears to the motor shafts. These gears will drive rollers that feed the cards. Ensure the gears mesh correctly, and the rollers are positioned to gently pull cards from both input slots into the mixing area. Test the motor's rotation. Finally, connect a power source, like a small battery pack, to your motors. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and functional. Perform several test runs with a deck of cards, observing how they feed, shuffle, and exit. Make any necessary adjustments to the rollers or guides for optimal performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your new homemade card shuffler.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.